One of the best things about being a human being is collecting all kinds of random knowledge and trivia throughout our lives. Random fun facts are greatest for breaking the ice, impressing a date, and winning a pub quiz. But days you don't have to have a use for these little tidbits of mind-blowing information to make knowing them worthwhile. Just reading these totally random facts about science, history, food, celebrities, your body, the cosmos, and more will make you jaw drop at least once. The first one. The heads on Easter's Island have bodies. The iconic stone heads protruding from the ground on Easter's Island are familiar to most, but many don't realize what lies beneath the surface. In the tents, archaeologists studying the hundreds of stone statues on the Pacific Island excavated two of the figures, revealing full torsos which measures as high as 33 feet. Second one, the moon has moonquakes. Just as Earth has earthquakes, the moon has, yeah, you guessed it right, it is the moonquakes. Less common and less intense than the shakes that happen here, moonquakes are believed by US Geological Survey scientists to occur due to the tidal stress connected to the distance between the Earth and the moon. Third one, goosebumps are meant to ward off predators. Why do we get goosebumps? In these physiological reactions, small muscles attached to individual body hairs contract, which leads the hair to stand on end. We inherit this ability from our ancestors in part as a way of our coat of body hair to capture air beneath it, and in that way we retain the heat. But as George A. Bunick, a physiologist and the professor of zoology at the University of Guelph in Ontario, Canada, explained to the Scientific American, it also caused our ancestors to appear bigger than they were, helping to ward off predators when they were frightened or on the defense. With modern human having less body hair, goosebumps no longer cause us to look that much more intimidating. Fourth one, there is no such thing as pure cider. Wait, you're probably thinking I heard pure cider last week. Actually, cider is an alcoholic beverage made from fermented apples and only apples. Alcoholic beverages can be made from pears, but that drink is known as perry. The drink was popular in England for centuries but fell out of favor due to the second half of the 20th century. That turned around in the 1990s when the drink was rebranded as beer cider. Fifth one, pineapple works as a natural meat tenderizer. This fruit is packed with the enzyme bromelain, which breaks down protein chains, making it an ideal marinade for meats when you don't have a lot of time. But for the same reason, pineapple does not work for the jams, jellies, since the enzyme breaks down gelatin as well. The bromelain is so strong that the pineapple processors have to wear protective gloves. Otherwise, over the time, the enzyme eats away the skin on the face and the hands, leaving dry skin and the small sores. Sixth one, humans are the only animals that blush. We are also believed to be the only animal that feels embarrassment, a complicated emotion requiring understanding others' opinions and others' facts. Charles Darwin called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions, while Mark Twain said man is the only animal that blushes. Seventh, the feeling of getting lost inside a mall is known as Gruen transfer. We have all heard how casinos are designed to deliberately disorient visitors, causing them to lose track of time and where exactly they are. But did you know that there's a similar strategy behind the design of shopping malls as well? Officially known as Gruen transfer, this phenomena was named after the Australian architect Victor Gruen, who identified how an intentionally confusing layout could lead to consumers spending more time and money in the shopping venue. 8. The wood frogs can hold pee up to 8 months. Talk about having to go. Wood frogs in Alaska have been known to hold the urine for up to 8 months, sticking it to the region's long winters before relieving themselves once temperature increases. The urine actually helps keep the animal alive while it hibernates, with special microbes in their gut that recycle the urea into the nitrogen. Ninth one, the hottest spot on the planet is in Libya. Specifically, the hottest spot ever recorded on Earth is El Azizia in Libya, where a temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit was recorded on September 13, 1922. While hotter spots have likely occurred in other parts of the planet at other times, this is the most scorching temperature ever formally recorded by the weather stations. 10. You lose up to 30% of your taste buds during the flight. This might explain why aeroplane food gets such a bad reputation. The elevation in the aeroplane can have a detrimental effect on your ability to taste things, according to a 2010 study conducted by Germany's Franz Hofer Institute for Building Physics. The dryness experienced at the high elevation as well as the low pressure reduces the sensitivity of the person's taste buds to sweet and the salty foods by about 30%. Add the dry cabin air affects our ability to smell and our ability to taste is reduced further. 11. Your nostrils work one at a time. When we breathe in and out of our nose during the day, one nostril does most of the work at a time, with the duty switching every several hours. This nasal cycle is dictated by the same automatic nervous system that regulates the heart rate, digestion, and other unconscious bodily functions, and is the reason why our nose gets stuffed up. It does so one nostril at a time. 12. Only two mammals like spicy foods: humans and the tree shrew. While humans have long had the rare distinction of being the only mammal that actually enjoys the spicy food, that list have been seen a new addition as a study by the Chinese researchers found that tree shrews have a mutation in their ion channel receptors TRPV1, which makes it less sensitive to the hot chemical in chili peppers. As a result, the adorable critters happily gobbled up corn pellets laced with capsaicin compounds that give peppers like spice, while other animals in the study avoided them. 13th one, a chef's dog contains 100 folds. Most diners are too busy looking at the food to look all that closely what the preparer is wearing, but the dog, the traditional hat owned by chefs, actually contains exactly 100 folds. This is not just a nice round number. It is said that these folds represent the number of ways to cook an egg. Through an investigation by Bon Appetit, failed to track down where that saying originated. 14th, rabbits can't puke. Unlike cats or other animals that can cough up hairballs when they digest too much fur and other indigestible materials, rabbits are incapable of spewing. The digestive system only goes one way, so the furry critters swallow plenty of roughage, which keeps things moving in the right direction. 15th, the M's in the MRM stands for Mars and Muri. That would be Forrest Mars and Bruce Murray, the two businessmen who created the candy-coated chocolates. The two actually had a very contentious relationship as Mars leveraged Murray out of his 20% share in the company in 1949, years before M&M's would become the best-selling candy in US, paying him just $1 million for the share of business that would quickly be worth billions. 16th, the human body literally glows. It might be hard to see you with your naked eye, but everyone you pass by every day is literally glowing. The human body emits a small quantity of visible light. Visible in the technical sense, the illumination is about 1,000 times less intense than the level of lights that we would actually be able to see. Researchers in Japan used a special camera to track this glow and found that it fluctuates throughout the day, with the body emitting its lowest levels of light around 10 am and the highest around 4 pm, a rhythm the scientists attribute to the change in one's metabolism. 17. Copper door knobs are self-disinfecting. Copper and its allies such as brass have long been popular materials for manufacturing doorknobs. It turns out this may not just because the metal's hue makes it look nice. In fact, the materials have been found to kill bacteria. According to one study from the National College of Kathmandu in Nepal, the metal ions denature protein of the target cells by binding to the reactive groups, resulting in the precipitation and inactivation. The high affinity of cellular proteins for the metallic ions results in the death of the cells due to the cumulative effects of the ions within the cells. In other words, brass sterilizes the bacteria that can build up from all those hands that grip it. 18th. Cotton candy was invented by a dentist. It is not known whether William Morrison had an utilizer motive for inventing the soft confection, but the dentist no doubt helped ensure others in his profession continued drawing in plenty of customers. In 1897, he partnered with candy maker John C. Wharton to develop the cotton candy machine, which at the time was known as Fairy Floss, and it has been bringing kids cavities ever since. 13. Marie Curie is the only person to earn a Nobel Prize in two different sciences. The pioneering research won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903, shared by her husband for the study of the spontaneous radiation, and then won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911 for her work in the radioactivity. That makes her one of the just 6 recipients to receive multi-Nobel Prizes and the only person to receive it in the two different sciences. Chemical engineer Linus Paulding earned a Nobel Chemistry Prize and a Nobel Peace Prize, with all other multiple winners received there in the same category. 20th. Fingernails don't grow after you die. Despite what you may have seen on the others list of random trivia, your fingernails and hairs do not in fact continue to grow after you die. To those who must have a steady supply of glucose which is cut off after the heart stops beating and preventing them from the further growth. In fact, the skin around the hair follicles and the nails dehydrates after death and partly retracts, which can make them appear longer. 21st. The English word with the most definitions is set. According to the Guinness World Records, set has the largest number of meanings of any other word in the English language, with 430 different senses listed in 1989 edition of the second edition of the Oxford English Dictionary. The word sets the record with an entry running from 60,000 words or 326,000 characters, and no other English word has come close since. 22nd. Creedence Clearwater Revival has the most number 2 Billboard hits without ever hitting number 1. John Fogerty's swamp rock band has the odd distinction of having since more of its singles hit number 2 on the charts without ever hitting number 1 than any other musical act. Between March 1969 and October 1970, the band scored number 2 singles on the Billboard Top 100. Proud Mary, Bad Moon Rising, Green River, Driving Band, and Looking Out, My Back Door, but never saw one of his songs get on the top spot. No other act has topped this dubious honor since. Twenty-third. Pigeons can tell the difference between a painting by a Monet and a Picasso. In a 1995 study published in the Journal of Experimental Analysis of Behavior, researchers reported being able to train pigeons to discriminate between paintings by Claude Monet and Pablo Picasso, which show slides of their work that they have previously never seen before. When the Picasso images were inverted, the little art conservators could still tell it was Picasso. Maybe that's why they like landing on the statues so much. 24. The dot over the lowercase I or the J is known as tittle. That tiny dot above the lowercase I and J letters have an actual name, tittle. It is thought that the phrase to the T is actually derived from the phrase to the tittle, a phrase that was used in the same sense dating back to the early 17th century. The first recording of the phrase is in 1607 play Women Hatter by Francis Beaumont and John Fletcher, in which the lines read, "I will court him to a turtle." 25. Chewing gums boosts concentration. Next time you are having trouble focusing, you might want to reach for a stick of gum. A 2013 study in the British Journal of Psychology found that those subjects who chewed gum while taking part in the memory challenge were able to stay focused for longer periods of time than those who did not chew the gum. 26. Superman didn't fly always. The original comic book Superman could leap tall buildings in a single bound, but then he had to come right back down to the earth because he didn't fly. It wasn't until the 1940s when the animators for a new animated series decided it would be too difficult to routinely draw him from bending his knees that it would decide that Superman could take off into the air. Readers got to see the smooth animation and a superhero gained a new power. 27. The first computer was invented in 1940s. These days supercomputers are everywhere and they really don't need much space at all. Have an Xbox One posted up in your living room, that's a supercomputer. A laptop tablet hybrid in your bag, that's a supercomputer too. Don't even get a start on the thing in your pocket. But when supercomputers first came around, they needed much more space. Just take a look at the world's first number one, the electronic numerical integrator and the computer. Originally built at the University of Pennsylvania School of Engineering in 1946, weighing 60,000 pounds and took up a larger room than most studio apartments. Shortly after construction, it was sent off to the military where it was used to calculate missile trajectories, translating launch missiles with frightening accuracy. Today, computer experts at Penn credit with hurtling in the dawn of the information age. 28. When you see the footage of astronauts floating peacefully in space, do you ever wonder what the space smells like? Well, according to some former astronauts, space does not have a distinct odor that hangs around the spacewalk. They have described it as hot metal or the steering stick. 29. The longest wedding wheel was the same length as 63.5 football fields. When Maria Paraskeva, a woman from Cyprus, got married in August 2018, her goal wasn't just to say "I did." So was she determined to set a record. "My dream as a child has always been to break the Guinness Book of World Record title for the longest wedding wheel," she explained. She superfilled her dream by wearing a lace wheel that stretched 22,848 feet and 2.11 inches, or as long as 63.5 football fields. 30. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. While Scotland proudly boasts the Loch Ness Monster, one of the world's most famous fabled creatures, the country opted to make another mystical beast its national animal, the unicorn. Although this might seem like an odd choice, Visit Scotland explains that unicorns plays an integral role in the country's history. Back in the 12th century, William I used the proud beast in the Scottish Royal Coat of Arms. 31st. Bees sometimes sting other bees. Bees are notorious for their stings, but humans aren't the only ones who experience this pain in the neck or the arm or the leg. In protecting their hives from outsiders, some guard bees will stay by the entrance and sniff the bees that come in, says Marina Piso from the biology department of Macquarie University. If there is a roach-bee from another hive trying to steal some nectar, the guard bee will bite and even sting the intruder. 32. Kids ask 300 questions a day. A 2013 UK study from online retailer littlewoods.com observed young children and recorded the questions they asked the adults around them. The children tended to turn to their mothers for answers, and their moms could even end up answering an average of nearly 300 questions per day, or one question every 2.5 minutes. The study found the moms reported that the hardest question they were asked included, "Why is water wet?" and "What are shadows made of?" 33. The total weight of ants on the earth once equaled the total weight of the people. Entomologists have estimated that there is at least 1 million trillion insects and only 1% of the number is ants according to BBC. And if you took all those ants, about 10,000 trillions, and put them on one side of a giant scale, you could almost put all of the people in the world onto the other and balance things out. Unfortunately, as humans have become heavier, this probably wouldn't hold up today, but it once did. Francis Ratnick, a professor of apiculture at the University of Sussex, told the BBC that this might have held true around 2000 years ago. 34. E is the most common letter and appears in 11% of the English words. Try writing out of a few sentences anything at all. Now take a minute to look at how frequently each letter in the alphabet appears. Chances are that you will see a lot of letter E. That's because the commonly used vowel appears in around 11% of the words in the English language according to the Oxford dictionaries. The next most popular letter was A, which appears in around 8.5% of all the words. The least common letter is Q, which appears in just 0.2% of the words. 35. A dozen bodies were once found in Benjamin Franklin's basement. But when you were aware of the fact that multiple skeletons were found in the basement of Benjamin Franklin's London home, the bones were discovered during a 1998 renovation of the house and were identified as being from nearly a dozen people, including 6 children. The most possible explanation is not mass murder but an anatomy school run by Franklin's young friend and the Project William Houston, wrote The Guardian. That's not to say that there wasn't any funny business going on. The resurrection men could deliver bodies stolen from graveyards to the Thames Frog at the bottom of the street, while there was a weekly public execution at the Gallon on the other side of the garden wall, the publication reported. 36. The healthiest place in the world is Panama. A small valley near Olcan in Panama has garnered the distinction of being the world's healthiest place to live according to a 2018 report by the International Living called Shangri-La Valley. The area is home to a beautiful scenery, a low cost of living, and a significantly longer life expectancy than the surrounding areas. All in all, the world's healthiest areas have some common factors, according to Iran: a warm climate, an active social scene, healthy food, and a slower pace of life that makes for less daily stress. 37. A pharaoh once lathered his slaves in honey to keep bugs away from him. The pharaohs of ancient Egypt were believed to be literally divine. The word pharaoh itself means great house, as in the house of God. In fact, King Pepi II was supposedly ruled for 90 years, thought so highly of himself that when he was bothered by insects, he would command that one of his slaves would be covered in honey to lure the flies away from him. 38. Some people have an extra bone in the knee, and it is getting more common. If you were under the impression that the human body has finished evolving, think again. It turns out that some people have a bone in the knee called as a fibula, and while this particular little bone was unknown purpose was once fading away over the last century and a half, it's gotten more common. Back in 1875, nearly 18% of the people exclaimed have a fibula. The number dropped to 11% by 1918. However, by 2018, 39% of the individuals had this mysterious bone. 39. Pringles aren't actually potato chips. The next time you can see a can of Pringles, take a closer look. You won't see the word chip anywhere on the packaging. That's because Pringles aren't made of thinly sliced potatoes, but instead dehydrated potato flakes pressed into their signature parabolic shape. That's why makes them less greasy. But when other potato chips manufacturers complained, the Food and the Drug Administration ruled that Pringles couldn't be marketed as chips. The company eventually settled on potato crisp. 40th one. There is a giant fish with a transparent head. The deepest levels of our oceans are some of the least explored areas of the planet. Because of the extreme pressure, cold, and the dark at these depths, only the very strangest of creatures can survive there. These include giant tube worms, vampire squids, global sharks, and viper fishes with teeth so long that they cannot close their mouths. Perhaps the strangest though is the barrel eye, a large fish with completely transparent head. 41. There is a decorated war hero dog. While in the trenches of the World War I, the US 1st Infantry Division found themselves unable to communicate with other troops because of the shell fire had damaged the telephone wires. A young private came up with a solution. Rags, a mixed breed terrier whom the soldiers have adopted in Paris, would carry the messages from one division to the other, next tucked into his collar. He saved many lives, and when Rags passed away in Maryland at a very advanced age of 20, he was buried with the military honors. 42. Showers really do spark creativity. Showers aren't just good for your hygiene, they are good for your creativity too. For a 2012 study published in the journal Psychological Science, researchers gave voluntary creativity problems to solve followed by a period of rest. During the period, some were assigned demanding tasks while others did simpler tasks that allowed their minds to wander, just like a shower does. Those doing the simpler tasks during the resting time were more likely to solve the original creativity problems. 43. Abraham Lincoln's bodyguard left his post at Ford's Theater to go for a drink. We already know that Abraham Lincoln was shot and killed by John Wilkes Booth while watching a performance at Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. on April 14, 1865. But what you might not have been aware of this is that the president had a bodyguard named John Frederick Parker with him on that fateful night, according to the Smithsonian Magazine. Unfortunately, Parker was a police officer with less than stellar reputation. After arriving 3 hours late for his shift, the officer left his post protecting the president to get a drink at the Star Saloon next door to the theater. It was during this time that Booth entered the box seats where Lincoln was sitting and shot the president. 44. Dolphins have been trained to be used in wars. Dolphins are known widely as adorable, intelligent animals. What is not as widely known is that these crafty creatures were used by the US and the Soviet Union during the Vietnam War and the Cold War. Both countries studied that the creatures for their sonar capabilities but also trained them to defeat mines, bringing equipment to divers, find lost equipment, and guard submarines, almost other nifty tricks. 45. Playing the accordion was once required to the teachers in North Korea. The most popular instrument in North Korea is the accordion, so much so that all the teachers used to require to play to get the teacher's certification. Because the accordion is portable in that way, say a grand piano isn't, it was thought of as the people's instrument that could be taken outside and played for laborers in the fields. 46. Children's medicines once contained morphine. If you were a baby in the middle of 1800s and you cried while teething, your parents might have given you Mrs. Winslow's soothing syrup. This medicine claimed that it soothes the child, it softens the gums, allays all pain. It may have done plenty of soothing, but it was extremely dangerous. This concoction, like many patent medicines of the time, contained morphine. 47. Plastic Easter eggs and plastic Easter grass were invented by a man who holds more patents than Thomas Edison. If you ever enjoyed an Easter basket with plastic eggs and grass, then you can thank Donald Vida, the man who invented both. Vida not only holds the patents on these holiday staples, but also he holds a total of 1,413 US patents, including ones for water-based inks, flower pot covers, and decorative wrappers. That's compared to Thomas Edison, who held just 1,093 US patents. 48. Water makes different pouring sounds depending on its temperature. If you listen very closely, hot water and cold water sound slightly different when being poured. The heat changes the thickness or the viscosity of the water when change the pitch of the sound it makes when it's poured. What we feel as heat comes from the molecules of the water moving faster. Cold water is thicker and therefore makes a slightly higher pitched sound. 49. Most laughter isn't because things are funny. Every culture in the world laughs, but surprisingly, most of our laughter isn't necessarily a response to humor. Less than 20% of the laughter comes after jokes, according to the neuroscientist Robert Provine. The rest is a reaction of the regular statements and the questions like, "How have you been?" The ensuing laughter, however brief, helped from social bonds since people who laugh together grow closer. 50. One man has saved more than 200 people from suicide. It's a sad fact that the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco is a site where many suicides takes place. However, one California Highway Patrol officer has done more to combat this problem than any other individual. Officer Kevin Briggs, who battles depression himself, has personally talked more than 200 people down from the proverbial ledge throughout his career. After retiring in 2013, Briggs wrote a book called as Guardian of the Golden Gate and now goes on speaking tours to encourage public discussion of suicide and mental illness.